So guys, for the first step, you want to go to Google and you want to type in codeblocks IDE. You should now be seeing the codeblocks website, so codeblocks.org, and you want to go to the downloads page. Now once we're here, you want to select download the binary release. Once this comes up, we're going to scroll down. It might be showing a different date here at the time of your recording, but make sure that you get codeblocks and then it should be saying MinGW setup. So make sure it says codeblocks and it says MinGW. You can go with any website that you want from here. I'm going to go with sourceforge.net. Once you come to this website, it should then start the download for you automatically. So just wait for this to load. Once that's been downloaded, you want to click on it. Once this comes up, you want to click on yes. And now this will come up, the codeblocks setup. Click on next. And then click on I agree. I'm going to get all the plugins installed. And I'm guessing you also want this one right here, the MinGW. So you want to tick that box if you do want it. And then click on next. Choose your destination folder. And then click on install. It's now going to start installing. It might take a while, just wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, it's going to ask you if you want to run codeblocks now. I'm going to run it now, so I'm going to click on yes. Choose whatever you want. If you clicked on yes, it's now going to start running codeblocks. If this comes up, you want to find your compiler. And set as default, and then click on OK. Click on next. And then click on finish for the setup. We should now be on codeblocks. You can customize the settings to your liking, but yeah, that's how you install it. Leave a like if this helps you.